Yo, what's going on, everyone? It's Eric with Green Collective here. We hope you and your loved ones are doing well during these times. We wanted to take a moment to touch on a topic that we got a lot of feedback on with our 14-day online Kickstarter. So that is that a plant-based diet is too expensive. So really with that can be a valid concern with the financial barrier, but really what we did with our website most recently, we created deliverables for you all to see a breakdown by meal to meal as well as ingredient to ingredient to show you where you're going to save the most money but also enjoy the meals just as well. So there's this misconception that you're going to have to take the products you love and directly replace them with a plant-based alternative that mimics that product, say a sausage or a plant butter. And that can be a great way to go, but really where you're going to save the most is kind of getting creative with the few whole food plant-based staples such as lentils, grains, or other vegetables and getting creative with that. But no worries, we have different recipes as well as the resources to help you all figure that out. So we hope you enjoy. Feel free to check out our website for those, and don't forget, eat plants.